Welcome. In front of me is a iPad mini from 2021, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, you will obviously want to open up settings, navigate to the general category right here, and at the bottom of the list you will find transfer or reset iPad, and then you want to select erase all content and settings. Now, normally there will be a little bit more here. It just gives me a message that this will remove basically apps and the data, and those apps and the data are taking about 61 gigs of storage. So those will be lost. Now I have the option to back it up if I want to by tapping on continue. Additionally, there is also going to be normally provided an account, but I did already sign out of it. So your Apple account and find my device. So continue, erase iPad. Now normally when you press continue and you are logged into your Apple ID, this will prompt you to basically back it up, but because I wasn't logged in, it just automatically proceeds further. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.